You laying on your bed? Eating your juice? I like your pillow. Setup number 2. A little more hasty, and then it wasn't as spoiled with copious amounts of bark laying around, but a little bit of a grass hutch. Enough to give the little guy some shade, keep him out of any wind. Plenty of dead grass laying around to get a good start on it. Obviously, we'd probably continue it out a little ways, but he seems to like it. We'll get another fire going and whip up some late lunch. Well, it took a little long, but got the fire going now. Ready to eat?
Yummy, ready to eat.
All right, let's get this fire rolling and get some coals going.
That's mine.
What you eating? Got a muffin. What else you got?
That?
What is that? Bacon?
Yeah, bacon.
I hope you're hungry. We got more. We got some coffee coming.
Bacon.
And we got your avocado. We'll get your avocado, okay?
Bacon.
Bacon, yeah. You know, if you go back in your fort, you won't be in the smoke as much, right?
That.
Yeah, I guess you'll figure it out. Is that bacon good? Come on, coffee. Let's go. Finish up dinner. A little bit of avocado, a little bit more bacon. Go lay down next to the little guy for a little bit. Nothing better than this.